the leader of the class read for
Stand up,
us.
please. Sekarang kita Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Saya basmalah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Kita please.
Alright, everyone, before we start our class, please check our journal first and also your. But Lutfan, what are you swearing? So hot? Okay, where have you been? Are you running around?
Yes.
Alright, okay, everyone, show me your book and your pen. Api, put your back down. Yeah. So today we are only missing Helmi, yeah, because he is one Umrah. You?
I want.
Want to go Umrah too? Okay, now let's get started. Have a look at the slides. I provide this to you. Last holiday, I went to Malaysia last year. And then I tried many Malaysian food. It's not bad. It's good. And then I visited Shopla in Suratul Thailand. Okay? So there are many places that I visited. So, how about you? What did you do last holiday? Huh? You go to Koperasi? You went to Koperasi on your last holiday? Okay. Jordi, where did you go on your last holiday? Feel free to share. Yeah? Feel free to share. Where did you go on your last holiday? Where did you go? Oh yeah, where did you do and where did you go on your last holidays? I jalan-jalan, kalau bisa Inggris jalan-jalan.
Walk. Eat and sleep.
You eat and sleep. Okay. Well, what did you do on last holiday? Yeah.
I went back home.
You went back home. Okay, you went back home.
Play game.
Play game.
Of course.
And you, Nata, what did you do before? Cooperation. Who did you go with? Oce. Go with Oce. Rehan. Else. You? Who did you go with? With your family. Okay, with your family. What did you do there?
Buying some food.
Buying some food. What did you do there? Anyone from here? Najib? Look at sunrise. Okay. Buying some. Nata, what did you do there? Buying some food. Okay, all right. How did you feel?
Happy.
You feel happy after weighing some food. Okay, alright. Now, let's have quick speaking challenge. Do with your partner to get in pair. In pair here. You go to, yes. Alvin with Jordy. Alvin with Jordy. Alvin on speak, Alvin. Alvin. Jackie, and you with Alright. Now, we give you 2 minutes. Quick challenge. Ask the same question with your friend, and your friend will answer the question. Alright? I'll give you 2 minutes. Let's get started. Ask one.
How did you feel? Oh, yeah. I feel happy.
Okay, time is over. Alright. Everyone.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Have a look here again. Oh, you still. Don't worry. Now, let's quick share. Rera and Shai. Okay. What did you share with your friends?
He went to visit his grandma every day. He go there with his family. And he said he feel awesome.
He feel awesome.
Yes.
Great. Everyone. Now, use your notes. I will give you a piece of paper. Yeah. Write down your experience based on this question. Yeah. What? Okay, you have described and you have told your friends what you did on your last holiday. Now, put that into paper. Silakan tulis di kertas. Put that in your paper. No problem. Don't worry. Actually, siapa aja? Who else? Who else in your? Where did you go? you need to find out what's more about.
Terus namanya mas?
Write down based on what you have talked with your friend. Only you. Okay. What day? Bagian Jawa Tengah, Surabaya, East Jawa. Last year, no. How did you feel? What did you do then? You went to the Okay. Who has difficulties in the last question? Apin? Dan? Anda? All right, everyone. That's enough. Okay. We continue again. Don't worry. We'll continue again later. But make sure this paper you don't lose it. Okay? Because we will use this again. Okay, next. Alvin, stop writing. And everyone, look at the slide again. Okay. The figure. Okay. Yes. All right. Look at the slide again. Look at your notes. Look at your notes. Please try to find this one. Look at the back of your paper. Open the back of your paper. Let us your friends next to you. Okay? You become A, yeah. The other one become A, and the other one become B. Okay? For example, you A and this one B. You A, this one B. Okay? You A, this one B. Friends next to you who become A, and the next one become B. Okay? Do you understand? Alright, what you are going to do, number one, tell from your paper, tell your friend from your paper. Based on this question, who are involved? Siapa saja yang terlibat? Ask your friend, tell your friend and write down here. Okay? 2 minutes is enough? Alright. Now let's try this out. Okay, let's go. Ask your friend next thing. Information. Just what you write. Ask your friend next thing. If your friend tells you, and you write it here. Ask the question. Just ask a question. Yeah, you ask him. You tell your friend and you write what you heard.
Involved.
His
My
family.
friend.
His friend.
Last holiday. But he had walk.
Okay. So tell me I you say okay.
One unexpected thing there is no who did the experience and I buy martabak. After war,
Right here, in here. Okay. Who else? Where did it happen? What did you do with it? Where? You tell me. Okay.
What happened next became public matters. What other things will happen? When all this
Done? Okay. Who's done? Raise your hand if you are done. Okay, who's done? Abid done. Rizky Abid. Tafito, still writing?
Okay. Aha. How
Done? Don't worry. I mean, what did you do there? Yeah, what did you do there? What did you do there? Did you go to restaurant? Did you go to restaurant? Yes. What did you eat? Okay, all right, everyone. They are really enthusiastic. That's okay. Okay. All right, everyone. Your time is up. Now let me hear from one of your team. Let's hear from Apil. Apil, what did you discuss with your friends? Remember, you may use these sentences to say what you have done with your friends. Yes. Okay. Look at the slide first. Okay. Apil. Apil, yeah. Okay. Apil. Look, based on your discussion with your friend and your speaking, you can use this one. I understand your story because I need information about, for example, from your friend's story. Okay? Do you understand your friend's story or not? Okay, you can use these two sentences to describe your friend's story. Want to share first? Alvin Delia. Okay, Alvin. Go. Did you understand your friend's story?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Use the two terms. Do you understand your friend's story?
Yes, sir. Okay.
How do you say this? I understand. I understand. The information is good. Okay. What about Jaffa? What do you think your friend's story? Use these two terms. Is there any missing story from your friends?
Yes.
You can use either this one or this one.
I understand your story because they speaking so good.
Okay. Speaking so good.
Wow.
What did your friend do? Play football. Lutfan, what about you and your friends? Lutfan.
I understand your story because your story was simple.
The story is simple, yeah? Is there any missing information? No, complete. Okay, everyone, next. Look at the question. What information did your partner need to understand your story? If you, for example, your friend does not know your story, so what information did your friend need to know to understand your story? For example, you went somewhere, yeah, you went somewhere with your family, your friend, or whatever. And what information actually? I am a reader of your story, yeah. So because I know nothing, Ustaz nggak tahu apa-apa, I know nothing about your story. Okay. So as outsiders, what information actually I need to know from your story? First, based on what you have written. Introduce. Okay. What else? Do I need to know the one who want to go with? Perlukah saya tahu dengan siapa dia pergi?
Yeah.
Okay, what do you say? This one. Okay, who else? Saya perlu tahu who do you go with? Ya, saya perlu tahu dengan siapa. What else actually do I need to know information? Okay, do I go with family? Okay, do I need to know where you go or where you went with your friends? Do I need to know that? Okay. What else? When? Okay, when? Kapan? Perlu nggak saya tahu kapan?
What happened?
What happened? Yes. Okay. What else? Alvin, what else? You need to know. I need to know when, where, what happened, who. Okay. What else? Huh? When? Yes. What else? If I am a foreigner, yeah, I am someone else does not know your story. Okay. All right. Did you just tell random events when I think someone who needs information like what you say? Did you just tell random event? For example, you tell a story to me. Kalian bercerita ke Mister. All right. Of course, you will tell me what, who will involve. Okay. What happens? Did you tell the story randomly?
No.
Why? Why? Why do you think you don't tell the story randomly? Why? Okay, karena tersusun. What else? For example, because I don't know. I went to restaurants. Next, where is it? To ya. Boleh nggak nih? Misalnya acak Mister kasih ceritanya. Do you understand the story? Is it possible? Yeah. Right. Next one. Actually, why did you organize them? If you want to tell a story, you need to organize the story, right? Because you cannot pick them randomly. You need to know where you went, right? The first year, and then here, and then there. So you cannot pick that one here and then here. So as a reader, I will not understand your story, right? If you tell the story randomly. Okay. So why do we need this? Organize your writing, your story. Why do you need to organize that? Yes. Exactly, because we want the reader understand your story. Okay. Next one. Today's big question. So, actually, how does a writer organize? Actually, based on your story, Alvin, okay. Based on the story, how does a writer organize? Actually, a past experience, so that the reader can understand it clearly and meaningfully. All right, that's the question. So, today, Davido, we're going to investigate how recount text is organized, what functions of this part, and how writers use language to connect the events. Let's check it out. Before that, let's have more power first. Kita lihat what powernya. The first one, let's read together. This one, that 1, 2, 3, read together first. Experience. Memorable. Journey. Unexpected. Adventure. Go. Went. Read this one. Read together. Okay. Leave. Left. Arrive.
We
Saw. Okay. We
saw beautiful views.
reached.
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 We reached the top.
Now, one repeat after me. This one. Excited.
Excited.
Nervous.
Nervous.
Surprised.
Surprised.
Disappointed.
Disappointed.
Relieved.
Relieved.
Proud.
Proud.
Grateful.
Grateful.
Exhausted.
Exhausted.
Happy.
Happy.
Unforgettable.
Unforgettable.
What does it mean?
Kecewa.
Kecewa. What does it mean?
Gagal ya.
Gagal. Oke. Nah, tulis di bukunya kata yang tidak kamu ketahui. Only the word that you don't know. Okay. Boleh? Only the word that you don't know. Yes. Alright, what does it mean alright?
Sampai.
Sampai, tiba. Okay. Relief, what does it mean?
Gagal.
Lega. Relief. Lega. Unforgettable. Unforgettable, tidak terlupakan. Ya. Only the word that you know. Only the word. If you know what you kan? Ji? Nervous. What does it mean nervous? Grateful. What does it mean grateful? Only the words you don't know, yeah? Okay. Because we have limited time. There. We'll catch up with the words later. Okay, everyone. Look at the slides. Let's test your prediction. Actually, which story is better? I will provide you two story. Bisa akan siapkan kalian dua cerita, two story. Which one is better? The one is unexpected trip, and the one is unclosed call trip. Alright, it's A and C. What you're gonna do? Please analyze the text first. Okay? Please analyze the text first. I'm gonna give you the text and answer the question first. Do it individually. And write down your answers on your notes. There are two texts here. If you need help, please tell me, let me know. Ya, amin ya. Not enough. Tito, maybe you can share one. Yep. Share here. Okay. Share. So, answer to the number one, look at the text first. Which text is easier to understand? Number two, which text tells the events more clearly? Number three, what makes text A easier to follow? And number four, what problem do you notice in text one? And last one, does text B contain some information as text A? Najib, if you need help, let me know. Yeah? 5 minutes, yeah? Yes. Only the answers. Yeah? You don't need to write the question. Gak perlu nulis pertanyaan. Mana teks dua itu yang berapa? Kemudian teks yang definisi populer dari mulai dua ini
Mana yang
SB
event or
kejadian-kejadian. Kejadian-kejadian mana yang what makes it A easier? If you see what problem do you notice? What is it you notice? Notice, what is it you notice? Notice, everybody knows what notice means. Notification. Bukan kata notification. What? Apa itu? Oh, you just write? Okay. Again, you look at here. You have text, alright. Text A, which is what you're gonna do. Look at the question. Answer the question on your notes. Based on your analyzing on the text. Silakan dianalisis dulu teks and answer the question. Well, did you write that the answer? Gimana kamu nulis jawabannya? Okay. Which text tells the definition of else or text yang mana? Yang masih tahu, sebuah dijelaskan. Apakah teks ini? Menurut kamu sebuah yang jelas. Read first. Peristiwa itu sama dari Take here.
What makes me say is that what problem do you see? Notice yang kamu sadari
Right? Okay, raise your hand. You have done. Done. Okay, go come. Okay, friends of God.
what else? Kalau ini mau buka info di mana? Oke. What's the problem? Do you use this to test? Okay, okay, tadi body All right, everyone. Okay, now I've noticed some of you have done a great job finding the answers. Okay. But some may be still struggling. Don't worry. Yeah. Okay, everyone. Now have a look at the slide again. Let's have fair discussion with your friends. Maybe 1 or 2 minutes you discuss with your friends. Discover why one of the text works better than the other. Menurut kami, kenapa satu tadi lebih bagus daripada yang satu? Find the answer. Discuss with your friend 2 minutes. I will ask you few of you and then to answer my question. Okay, we discuss. Kenapa? Dari itu ini 2 minutes. Okay, good question. This cover, why temukan akhirnya tinggal ternyata aku ini ya kira-kira apa yang mana yang lebih bagus ini? Jadi itu sudah menjadi apa yang bagus dan jadi you may share that nothing done. Yes, okay, done. Next, okay, let me hear from Zaki. Okay, Zaki, I heard from Zaki. Oh, would you like to share what is the result of your discussion? Okay, sorry. Zaki and Najib, would you like to share what you have discussed with Najib? Okay. Please cover why one sound text works better than the other. Kenapa? Because okay, penjelasannya lengkap dan informasinya jelas. Okay. Is there any additional information? What else? Davito, maybe Davito? You want to add more?
Apa yang bisa?
What else? Katanya informasinya lengkap. Okay, what else?
Ada Pak, perbandingannya apa?
Yeah, what do you think?
The text A is arranged in order.
Text A, arranged in order. Okay, what else?
Because have a specific storyline and more detail to make the story
Okay, great.
understand the story.
Okay, it's English, yeah. Because have specific storyline and more detail to make this story understand the story. Great, yeah. Thank you, Lufan. You did great job, yeah. Explanation. Okay, next. Now. Okay, that's one that you can use in one discussion. Next one. If we talk about the text, you have text 1 and text A and text B, yeah? What makes recalls easy or difficult to follow? Look at this one. How can we identify the function of different part of free context so that we can organize, yeah? Understand the story correctly. Gimana sih caranya kita mengidentifikasi fungsi bagian-bagian dari konteks yang kita susun tadi, and understand the story dan memahami ceritanya secara benar, seperti yang Lukman share tadi, right? Okay, now let's check this out. Eyes on the slide. Okay, stop writing dulu, Kapito. Okay. When you start reading someone's experience, what information do you need first to understand the situation? Saya misalnya mau baca, I want to read someone's story. Kira-kira what information you need to do? I need to understand first. Okay. Okay, topic. Okay, what else? Ya, over there. Kira-kira ini saya punya cerita nih, si Alvin ya. Jadi want to tell a story. I don't know about the story, right? I don't know about Jagi's story. So do you think what information do I need to understand first from his story? Ada, if you flashback again, semuanya sudah kita kerjakan di awal. We did it in the beginning of the activities. Kira-kira, who? Okay, I need to understand siapa aja sih yang terlibat. When itu apa? Apa? Right, pagi. When? Gimana ya terjadinya ya? Why itu bisa jadi selanjutnya ya? Nah, what happens? Yes, betul sekali. Where, when, ya. Jadi saya perlu tahu nih. I need to know who, where, when, the story. Next. So actually, in the beginning of the sentence, look. What is actually the main purpose of the beginning of the recount? If I say who, both, and where it happened, and then when, what is the purpose? Apa sih the goalsnya, objektifnya, tujuannya? What is the purpose?
To inform.
To inform. To inform, yes.
To explain.
To explain, okay. What else? What do you think, Najib? To tell, okay. To inform, to explain, to tell. Exactly. Actually, you introduce, right? Kamu mengenalkan. Okay, tapi itu. Kamu mengenalkan, right? The reader. What actually the story is about? Okay, next. Setelah sorry. After you know who, where, when, and what information actually do you expect to read next? Kira-kira informasi apa yang kamu harapkan dari setelah itu tadi? What happened? Yeah. What's next? Informasi apa?
Location.
Look, after you know who, where, and when, kira-kira you think what information do you expect to reach next? Why? Rehan, in the beginning, nah ini nggak dengar nih berarti. In the beginning, we said you need to know who involved, right? Where, happens, and when. After you know those all information, what steps actually do you expect to read? Selanjutnya kira-kira kamu mengharapkan apa yang kamu cerita dari cerita tadi? Bagaimana bisa terjadi? Yes. What happens? Ya. Alright. Nah, what happened? Jadi ekspektasinya, what happened? What did the person do? And what happened next? Ya. And what happened after that? Okay. And do you think why can't these events be arranged randomly? Menurut kamu, kenapa ya? This question. Okay. Eyes on the slide. Okay. Why can't these events be arranged randomly? Kenapa ya peristiwa-peristiwa tadi tidak bisa acak saja? Tadi ada jawaban Rehan tadi. Why do you think? I want to try the answer. Karena bisa jadi tidak jelas. Oke, harus stop. Biar gampang paham. Instead, ya, apa lagi? Yes. No nih. Oke ya. Biar gampang paham. Apa lagi tadi? Cek. Data ya. Biar jelas. Okay. Now, after all events have happened, what would make sure it feel complete? Setelah dari awal tadi kamu kenalkan, ini orangnya tahu, you know the people, ya, where, tahu waktunya, and you know when, and also you know the where did they do, and what did they do, alright? And what actually make the story complete? The experience ends. Okay. The experience ends. The feelings. Alright? Experience ends. What else? Hasil. Results. Yeah. And lessons. Yeah. And also write the opinion. Okay. Right. Do you think there is a big question here? Ya, Davito ya. Does recall always need to end with another event? What do you think? Jackie? Do you think does recall always need to end with another event? Perlukah sebuah recall text itu selalu diakhiri dengan kejadian yang lain? Or can the writer respond to the experience? Boleh nggak penulis merespon terhadap pengalamannya? Boleh. Next one. It means based on three. Kalau kita lihat based on discussion before, alright. The first one, perhatikan. What does the reader need to know before event happens? Yeah. What does the reader need to know while the events are happening? And last one, what does the reader need to know after the events have happened? Can we divide the record into three functional part based on this question? Bisa nggak kita bagi menjadi tiga bagian itu? Bisa. Berarti perhatikan, menurut kalian, if we divide into three parts, what? Look at this one. From our discussion before, who, where, when, in the situation, and what happened. And the last one, and what would you call each part? Kira-kira ada yang tahu kalau bagian pertama itu panggil apa sih? Pengenalan, oke. Ah? Visi? Isi, oke, isi. What else? Orientation, okay. Number one. What about number two? Middle. Ah? Climax? Climax? Okay, what else? Climax nggak nih? Kalau di tengah ada climax nggak? What in the middle? Okay. Let's find out. Kira-kira disebut apa ya? Tiga tadi sudah disebutkan. Ryan already mentioned number one. Okay. Now, look at here. So in the context actually, Ryan mentioned orientation. What should be in orientation? Apa yang harus ada di orientation? Who, alright. Who, where, when, and also the situation. What about number two? In the middle. What do you call that one? Events. What is that? What should peristiwa? What should be event? Apa yang harus ada di event? Versi ceritanya, ya kemudian. Okay, chronological order ya, right? Peristiwanya. What you do first, and then after that. And what about the last one? What do you call that one? Reorientation. Okay. What are they? Provides writer's final response. Yeah. The feelings, right? I feel sad. I felt really happy after joining my friends trip. Okay, done. I think we have a lot of activities here, but see at the time because okay. Time is over, don't worry. We'll continue again later. Okay. Before ending the story, ending the session, let me ask some questions. What did you learn today?
We learned about recontacts.
Okay. We learned about what else? What two things you've learned? Apa dua hal yang kamu pelajari? Silakan tulis dulu dua hal yang kamu pelajari. Ini dulu. All right. 2 things you've learned. Done? Okay. Now, Davito, would you like to share what 2 things that you've learned today?
Income tax.
What else? What would you?
Susunan-susunannya, sir.
Susunan-susunannya. That's it. Zaki, what 2 things you learned today? Okay. Easy, yeah. Alright, everyone, because 15 minutes again, we are going to have a discuss class. Yeah, please prepare yourself over that. I will be there, right there, and after the break. So don't go anywhere. I will set up all the things, all the devices there. I think today, today is the end. Let's close for today. Save it first. Simpan, save it because we will continue again in the next meeting. Yes, save it.